Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the American Eagle Best Fit button. So these are for sale for $9.95 on their official stores. So once you get this product, you have actually two parts of the button. So you have this main body here, and then you have the one that goes underneath your jeans. Let's say this is part 1 and this is part 2. So part 1 goes underneath your jeans and part 2 goes over your jeans. So to actually separate these two, all you have to do is twist this part 1 and it should pop off. So if you can't get it to separate, then use pliers, twist it, and then pull it apart. But you can use your hands. So basically, if you have these two separated and you have installed it in your jeans, it will just look like this. So the right button is the original button and the left button is the best fit button. So basically that's it.